Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today is all about the brand new Ford Ranger. You must have seen these on the road already. Today we're talking about the wide arch kit that we've added on. Client has also got some new wheels to go onto the vehicle as well to really enhance the cosmetics of the vehicle. These look absolutely mega and absolutely in love with the new style of the Ford Ranger. However, there's still one thing about all pickups, and they look a little bit skinny. So the wide arch kit are really cool. We've actually finished these in the same color as the vehicle. There's loads of different options. You can either have like a kind of a matte black finish to contrast, or I really like this. Looks a lot more OEM. It's that OEM plus design. That wide arch kit also retains things like your parking sensor locations, as well as on the rear you've got full retention of everything on the vehicle, and it just looks absolutely incredible, giving a far better stance across the vehicle and giving a lot more road presence too. Once it's got the new wheels on, this can look absolutely mega. So if you're interested in full 4x4 conversions, we either do little bits like this we've done, and the client is going to do the rest of it. However, we do so many customizations of not only the new shape Ranger, but also all sorts of 4x4s. So head over to our website, drop us an inquiry, or best come in, see me, and we'll spec out your new pickup truck exactly how you need it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.